Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically stop your CapCut PC from lagging. So there are a few things that you can do. It's pretty simple. First, you're going to go to modify. If you have a video here, make sure you selected this area here. Go to modify, select performance, and enable proxy. Select the lowest resolution, which is 540p, and press save. Once you're done with that, you're going to go to menu and you're going to go to settings. Then you are going to select the performance tab and you're going to unselect everything that speeds up hardware decoding, encoding, and render interface with GPU. Why? Because it says in the app itself, if you're still confused here and select it to avoid export and issues, for instance, and this one's like avoid black screen and blurry screen, and then you're going to press save. It just basically wants you to avoid all of the lag that they have in the app. So that's what you're going to do, but the most important one is that you do go to modify and you go and turn on proxy. It will make your video look less high quality, but don't you worry, once you've exported it, it's going to have the media back to its original resolution, I guess. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.